In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit existing video with InVideo AI. We'll start right at the InVideo AI website. Sign in to your account and open the dashboard so you can see your workspace. From here, click Create Video, choose Upload Media, and select your existing video file from your computer. Give it a moment to process. Once it finishes, the video will appear in the editor, ready to work with. For the best results, upload the highest quality version you have so edits stay crisp. Next, open the editor timeline by dragging your video down into it. The timeline is your control center. This is where you'll trim, split, reposition, and finesse the pacing of your story. If your project is longer, zoom in on the timeline to make precise cuts, then zoom out to see the overall flow. You can now take advantage of AI editing. In the prompt bar, type clear commands like add subtitles to this video, make this video shorter, add background music, or highlight key points. The AI will automatically apply those changes for you. Be specific with your prompts, then preview what it did. If something isn't quite right, refine your command or undo and try again. Think of this as your assistant that handles repetitive edits quickly. If you prefer a hands-on approach, switch to manual editing. Trim the start or end of clips to tighten the pacing, split scenes where a new idea begins, rearrange clips to improve the narrative, and adjust timing so visuals match your message or beat. Make small tweaks, play back often, and keep transitions smooth so your audience stays engaged. Now add text and subtitles. Click text to place headings, lower thirds, or captions. If auto subtitles are available, turn them on to speed up your workflow. Choose legible fonts, strong contrast, and consistent placement so your text is easy to read on mobile and desktop. Bring in audio next. Go to music to browse background tracks, then adjust the volume so it supports your voice instead of overpowering it. If you need narration, add an AI voiceover to guide viewers through complex points. Use gentle ducking under dialogue to keep everything clear. Customize visuals to match your brand. Tweak colors, add transitions for polish, insert stock clips or images to illustrate ideas, and drop in your logo to reinforce identity. Keep styles consistent from start to finish. Before exporting, resize for your platform. Use 16.9 for YouTube, 916 for TikTok or Reels, and 11 for Instagram. After resizing, scan the frame to ensure important text and faces stay within safe areas. When you're happy, click Export, choose your resolution, 1080p is a solid choice, and download your finished video. Preview the final file to confirm audio levels, captions, and cuts look just the way you want. That's it. You've edited an existing video with InVideo AI.